Hey everybody, it's day one of the Master Cleanse. So feeling pretty good so far. Day one's usually not too bad. Day two and day three are usually the toughest. So, but I'm going to weigh in real quick and then I will go through on how to actually make the Master Cleanse lemonade. Alright, so it's weigh-in time. Let me step on the scales here. So we're starting off at 213.2. So definitely we'll lose some from that. That's not my primary goal on this, but we're definitely going to see how the progress goes. Alright y'all, well eventually I'm going to have some fancy editing software and stuff so I can tie all this together, make it pretty and stuff, but hey, I just want to get the content out there for right now for guys that are going through this with me. So we got our J.A. Hinkle's knife here. Best knives in the world. I would highly recommend these. They're not cheap, but they're well worth the price. So anyway, so I've got my organic lemon here. And like I said, very important that you use fresh lemons. Don't use juice. But what I do is I'm just going to roll it. I'm going to put it between my palm and the cutting board and just roll it. And that's going to help to get all the juice that I can get out of it. Because you're going to use a lot of lemons, so per recipe we're going to use about 2 tablespoons per glass. So let me show you what that looks like. So I'm just going to cut that open, and this here is a game changer. You squeeze the juice through this, it goes into the glass here, and you can just pour it right out through there. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze the lemon. You just put it right through there, twist it, and the other nice thing is that catches the seeds, so you don't have to worry about seeds getting in your lemonade, because you don't want that to happen. So anyway, I've got my 10 ounces of water here. Remember, either spring water or filtered. We got filtered water throughout the house. So that's what I'm using. So I'm going to throw that in there first of all. Then I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of this lemon juice. Let's see how much we got out of this half. So that half got me 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So there you go. So your half a lemon should be what you need per glass. And then I'm going in with this grade B. Well, used to be grade B, now grade A dark maple. And this is also the same measurement. You want 2 tablespoons of this. I'm just going to go in with that. 1 and 2. Now if you want to lose a little more weight, you can cut this back a little bit, but I don't recommend it. You're going to lose weight. If that's your goal in this, you're going to lose that anyway, because this is going to be less than 1,000 calories a day. So I'm going to stir that. And certainly not least is the cayenne pepper. So I'm going in with the cayenne. I use 1/8 of a teaspoon. Some people use 1/10, but I like it spicy. So anyway, that's all there is.